Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Welcome back, guys. Very good morning. We are discussing now next topic, that is SWOT analysis. What a wonderful topic, guys. Every company, before making any strategy, even before you make a strategy, you have to do SWOT analysis. What is SWOT? Strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. 4 things are there in SWOT, guys. This is what is there. Yes, strength. 2 things are internal, our strength, weakness. Something which you have, no one else has in this world. Strength. Inherent capability of organization. Come on, God might have blessed you with something that is your strength. Inherent capability, your strength. Inherent weakness of the organization. Something you might have bad, because no one is perfect. Every coin has 2 sides. That is weakness. So internal strength and weakness. External. Now something which is not in your hand is external. Are you clear? Favorable external environment. Lot of good things from the environment. Environment is supporting you. Opportunity. Exactly wrong things happening in the environment. Whatever you wished is not happening. Threat. Unfavorable external environment. So you have to remember 2 things. Internal, external. If it's an internal thing, strength or weakness. If it's an external thing, opportunity, threat. Let me show you. Any business, while making strategy, has to do dash analysis. SWOT. Listen very nicely. 2 things are there in business environment. Internal, external. Internal is strength. Inherent capability of organization only you have, no one else has. Or you have something good, strength. Inherent weakness of the organization, your SW. If it's external, it's not strength and weakness. Okay, government is supporting you. It's not your strength, come on. It is opportunity, because it is external. Government is not mine. Are you clear? Favorable external environment, unfavorable external environment. Sir, why do we do this SWOT analysis? So we can maximize opportunity by using the strength. Whatever opportunities are available, we can make use of our strength and capitalize the opportunity. And reduce the threat by reducing weakness. I did not understand, sir, because I did not explain, baby. Now I will explain. Let's do practical. You will understand even better. Can we start? Yes, sir. Okay, let's see this, guys. SWOT analysis on your screen. Components of business environment, internal, external. Internal, my. Yes, W. Strength, weakness. Inherent capability, only I have, no one else has. Strength. Inherent limitation, something bad in me. Weakness. Favorable external environment, opportunity. Unfavorable external environment, threat. Now what we'll do is fit in the boxes. Okay, you have to tell me what will come. Can we start? Yes, sir. Okay, without wasting any time, let's start. I'll tell you something. My company has wonderful goodwill. So my company has goodwill. Well, will it come? Of course, strength. We offer excellent products. Excellent products. What is this? My strength. Then I would like to say, in my industry, right, there is a lot of competition. Competition is too much. Are you clear? What is this? Is it my or external factor? Of course, external. So it has to be what? Good or bad? Bad. So threat, unfavorable. Competition is more. Now let's take more examples. Okay, my products are good but very expensive. What is this? Weakness. We have strong research and development. No one can do research and development like we do. So of course, strength, right? Then I would like to say interest rates are very low, due to which borrowing is easy for us. Interest rates are very low. Common opportunity. Government policy is supporting us. Favorable, right? Government policy. My staff is not that much efficient. Though products are good, staff is not good. Weakness. So I hope you are understanding what comes under what. Are you clear? We are a technologically advanced company. Strength. My competitors are very aggressive. Of course, threat. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. I just wanted to explain you these factors. Okay. Let me take another example. I'll speak very fast and not right. Okay. I teach very good. Strength. Others also teach good. Others teach good. Threat. Because it's unfavorable for me, right? Let me take more example. I always take lectures on time. Strength. I don't take on time. Weakness. Others take on time. Others take on time. Threat for me. Others don't take on time. Opportunity. I teach such subjects which no one can teach. Strength. I teach such subjects which everyone can teach. Weakness. I hope you are getting. What is my strength? My, but bad. Weakness. Favorable outside. Opportunity. Favorable inside. Threat. I hope you are clear. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will make best use of, see, there's more demand of my product. Opportunity. Now what I can do? Demand is more and I have excellent goodwill. I should be champion in that sector. I made the use of opportunity by using strength and reduce threat by reducing weakness. Competition is more. Expensive products are there. Try to reduce the price of product. I hope you are getting. Let's see practical example. For the first time ever, we are seeing the SWOT of McDonald's. If you don't remember, SWOT is also done in cricket teams. Before going to the World Cup, they also do SWOT analysis, right? Like what can be the strength of India? Wonderful batting. Not so good. What is the weakness? Fast bowling has always been a constraint. Spinners are not good. Pitches are supporting spinners. Okay, spinners. We are just assuming. What is the opportunity? Come on, that some player can do very well. External environment. Depend on, of course, environment. If you play spin well, there is one person who plays spin well. Opportunity for him. There is a one person who plays fast bowling well and not spin well. Threat for him. Are you clear? Let's see McDonald's. Very nicely understand. Strength. Inherent capability of McDonald's. Successful advertisement and brand name. Who doesn't know McD in today's world? Collaboration with Coke. See, Coke is also a very famous brand. So if you want to have Coke, okay, and you want to sit somewhere and have, McD is the only option available. Clean environment. Whatever you say about their products, it is very clean. Professional training for employees, of course. All employees, when you go to McDonald's, talk so nicely. Competitive price. This has been a core strength of McDonald's. Very, very less prices. They don't keep extravagant prices like Subway. Subway, one reason for Subway not working is prices are very high. Weakness, weak products. You will not find awesomest product of McDonald's. They are good, they are above good, but not most excellent. Franchisee model. What happens in franchisee? Some franchisees are very good, some are not so good. Okay, so because it is not managed by McD, it is managed by franchise owners. So sometimes franchise owners can spoil reputation of McDonald's. Opportunity. Internationalization, it serves only 1% of population. Still 99% room pending for McDonald's. But come on, there is a big threat of COVID. COVID has changed the way business will function. So now I don't think they'll do much expansion. Growing market of dining out. See, these days people want to dine out. Earlier there used to be a concept. People used to go only once in a week. But now that has changed. They want to go 3 times in a week. Internationalization. What is a threat? More health conscious customer. See, earlier if people were fat, they were found to be cute. He's cute, he's fat but very cute, some girls say. No, now they want good boys, okay? They want good girls, health conscious, okay? So this will of course reduce, it will be a threat. Why? Because McDonald's offers what? Unhealthy products. People want to be healthy. McDonald's, you are unhealthy. Of course, there are local competitors in every city, okay? There are some good people who are doing. They are localites of the city. They know the city well. They know the brand well. So, global recession, yeah, that is there. Playing in a mature and saturated industry. Come on, it's a mature. Now there cannot be much growth of MACD. Everyone knows what MACD is. Now why did I do SWOT analysis? So I can make use of opportunity and strength. Are you clear? Maximize opportunity by using the strength. Example. There is growing market of dining out and we have successful advertisement. Come on, we can do a lot. Internationalization, we have wonderful image. We can grow to great level. Even if MACD can serve 10%, it serves currently 1. 10 times increase in revenue. How to reduce the threat? People are health conscious. Try to change your product. You also make health conscious burger. Make a gym burger for gym conscious people. Are you clear? So keep on. With this, I can know where I need to improve. If I know the pitches are going to be spinner friendly, I will introduce more batsmen who are spinner friendly. Let's take one more example. Yapple. We'll read 3, not more. Effective innovation, wide range of products, strong brand image, leadership, strength. Weakness, prices are very high. Incompatibility. See, Apple products are not compatible with all devices. Limited distribution network. Okay. Pace of innovation, this has increased. Diversification, expand, develop partnership, threat, aggressive competition, growing labor cost, etc. So I need to do SWOT analysis. Based on SWOT, I will get various combinations. Are you clear? I can select the best strategy which will match my strength with my opportunity. That is what SWOT helps me to develop. SWOT is a wonderful tool used very nicely these days, and I think SWOT is the best tool ever. So strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. I hope you are clear. Should we do one more? If you say we will do, no problem. Patanjali. What is the strength? Biggest strength is Baba Ramdev. He is in himself the brand. Yoga is also him. Swadeshi is third strength. Ayurvedic is fourth strength. What is weakness? Low exports. Only it believes in India. Advertisement, they don't do much. These days they are doing though. Opportunity is what? Large domestic market. Still they have not captured 100% market. Threats, come on, always the big people, HUL, Procter and Gamble are always attacking. I hope you knew SWOT, okay? With this, what happens is, okay, SWOT is a wonderful tool. I can maximize opportunity by use of strength, minimize threat by reducing weakness. So that was SWOT all about, okay? I hope you understood what is the meaning of SWOT, okay? And then we can move on to the next questions, okay? What you do is, you write something about SWOT. Please write this much, and below that we will write examples. Okay. So below this we will write lot of examples. Can you write this much? Okay. Please write. Any business while making strategy has to make SWOT. Once you write this, okay, then I'll tell you what will come in strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. We will write those things right now. But before that, you write this much. Your time starts now. Let's start. Let's take example of McDonald's and write, okay, so you can write in bracket McDonald's. Components of environment, internal, internal, strength, weakness, external, opportunity, threat. Take example of McDonald's and write that. I'll speak, okay, have you written this? You have to write this also, inherent capability, weakness, favorable, unfavorable. So I'll say a few things and you have to see and tell where it matches. Are you clear? Please write. Strong brand image. Strength, right? Yes, strength. Strong brand image. Right inside strength. Clean environment. Strength, right? Please write strength. Clean environment. Strong brand image. Clean environment. Collaboration with Coke. Strength again. Collaboration with Coke. Huge growth prospects. What is this? Opportunity, right? Huge growth, right there. Huge growth prospects. Opportunity. Growing dining out market. People want to have a lot of dining outside. They want to go outside. The craze is increasing. Earlier it used to be once in a week. Now I don't know how many times in a week you order from Zomato. Growing dining out market. Mature industry. See, everyone knows about MACD now. So what is this? There is less chance of more growth because it's almost mature. Threat. More mature industry. Mature industry is a threat. It's not a growing industry. Come on. Mature industry. Health conscious customer. Threat, of course. Threat. Health conscious customer. Threat. Last. Weak products. Weakness. Weakness, right? Products are not like you love them. They are good, very good, but not like Domino's, right? Weak products. Franchisee model. So some franchisees might fail. Weakness. Franchisee model. Everything is not in your control. It is a weakness. Franchisee model. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right? Conclusion. What should be the conclusion? By doing SWOT analysis, companies should make such a strategy that will maximize their opportunity, by using strength, and reduce the threat by reducing weakness, okay. So we'll make such a strategy. I can make use of all opportunities by using my strength and reduce the weakness by reducing the threat. What a wonderful concept SWOT has been. I hope you understood. Even you should do your SWOT so you know what opportunities are there and what threats are there which you can reduce by reducing your weakness. Are you clear? There are advantages of SWOT. We will learn in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.
Subscribe to LearnCab and hit the bell icon to get notified.